Welcome back to our channel. For those new to our space, we dedicate our efforts to simplifying the complex world of finance and investing. Today, we're setting our sights on a core topic, bonds. From their meaning to their pricing, and with concrete examples, we've got all your queries covered. Stay with us to unfold the intricate world of bonds. And before we start, do hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful discussions. Let's get started by peeling back the layers on the basics of bonds. When you hear the term bond, you can think of it as an IOU, a financial promise that's made between two parties, the borrower and the lender. When you purchase a bond, you are essentially lending money to the entity issuing the bond. This could be a variety of issuers, such as corporations, municipalities, or even the government. In exchange for this loan, the issuer gives you their word to pay you back the principal amount, that's your original investment, on a specified future date. This is known as the maturity date. What's more, during the life of the bond, the issuer will also make regular interest payments to you, the bondholder. These payments, known as the coupon, are the investor's return on investment for the bond. Now that we've touched upon the basics, let's delve into the different types of bonds available in the market. At the highest level, we can categorize bonds into three types: government bonds, municipal bonds, and corporate bonds. Government bonds, as the name suggests, are issued by national governments, municipal bonds by local entities such as cities or states, and corporate bonds are issued by businesses, large and small. The risk and reward dynamics of each bond type can differ, largely depending on the financial health of the issuer, the bond's maturity, and the prevailing economic conditions. Moving on, you might be pondering, why bonds? What makes them an attractive investment? Bonds, in comparison to stocks, are generally considered less volatile. This makes them a good fit for conservative investors or those looking for steadiness in their portfolio. Plus, those periodic interest payments we talked about earlier can provide a predictable income stream. This feature of bonds makes them particularly appealing to individuals seeking a steady income, such as retirees. Here's a quick interlude to remind you that if you're finding this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more detailed content. With the basics covered, let's now explore the intriguing subject of bond pricing. Contrary to what one might think, a bond's price isn't etched in stone. It shifts based on a few key elements, including the broader interest rate environment, the creditworthiness of the issuer, and the bond's maturity date. There's a particularly important inverse relationship between bonds and interest rates. As interest rates climb, bond prices typically fall. Conversely, when interest rates descend, bond prices usually rise. To solidify all this, let's walk through an example. Imagine a corporation issues a bond with a face value of $1,000, a 5% interest rate, and a 10-year maturity. As an investor in this bond, the corporation would pay you $50 in interest each year for the 10-year term. At the conclusion of the 10 years, you'd receive your initial $1,000 investment back. And there you have it, folks. A comprehensive exploration into the world of bonds. We hope this video has helped demystify this important investment instrument for you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Remember, we're here to make the world of finance more accessible for you. Stay tuned for more, and as always, happy investing.